concern you. You dey always put your mouth. All I'm see parrot. You don't come again, yo. All I'm see parrot. You don't start again, yo.
I don't even understand what this mama dey talk say. Just magic.
See something now.
I don't get. I never get this kind of machine before in my life. So now that kind of talk mama dey talk. Why do this say that na normal talk? Just if you guys just waka from over there, but it doesn't make sense for my head sef. It doesn't make sense for my ear. You can't talk with that one. Just see my guy sef. Just the guy. My guy boy.
What's happening? Why now come out from inside? Now for close make me see where you explain this. I want to come out.
Wetin mo small talk again? Shey na talk that must dey talk so? You can't talk with that one.
Why I be like this? Now what I fit do? I see my sister. What I be do? Just dey she dey please. Even I don't even understand what I need to say. I don't know.
Just calm down. Just imagine Monsi at that age wey your sister dey. Make she dey please for us and the Monsi just dey yarn like say na
wetin I make I do like wetin I make I do when I give me advice now make I give me advice.
Come as I dey swear I no be about this way but the only thing wey be say I fit tell you wow to even talk this kind of person now I dey even know the kind of solution wey I fit give to you so stop like say na spiritual man.
No many person wey I don happy just
see she can never stop urinating.
Will you keep quiet?
Never stop urinating. I am telling you the fact. See that girl? Ha! The girl will say she don't even get respect at all. That girl, she don't spoil for that honest, eh? They know very well. Now so she do open her.
You think so you dey wise? You are a mumu man.
You see? Now she's urinating.
What type of plane is this?
Never.
My sister? Yes, my own sister?
Yes, now.
Selima? Yes. Selima?
No wonder.
Selima! Come here. Who can come to be most of around? I say they see that and see for others. Who can come to be nonsense?
Me.
Why you use that to talk for here?
Uncle Shebi na kiss my family dey talk.
See that way talking for here.
Brother, I know you.
Oh, this girl you are, this Molly.
You only you waka come.
How old are you?
I'm 14.
Oh, 14. Jesus, please dey go. In fact, peace. The eternal life.
Sorry.
How could you be 14 and why are you guys doing like this? Let's have peace. In peace. Oh, I know now just 18 years old. She dey peace like water. People said now well dey inside in
Here is God.
So tell them about this one. Oh, make she dey peace dey go. Now her problem. Peace.
Left you behind.
Make she dey peace dey go.
Make she dey peace dey go.
My own sister.
Just 14.
Make she dey peace dey go. Make me at the consolation say make she dey peace dey go. Abeg.
Bless this guy need beating.
Abeg. Give me for you.
You go say you get am, wetin you no be. You go say you be am.
No, na me fuck up.